lamdam asigi miyambu drug tagi lapthok hannabagi pandamda chathagadaba addiction free Manipur campaign Governor Ajay Bhallana Raj Bhavan gi darbar hall da hogdokre campaign ase ministry gi flagship program ama oidiba nasha mukt bharat abhiyan gi makhada Brahma Kumaris na social justice and empowerment Government of India ga punna khutsamnaduna sinbani campaign adu hogdokladuna Governor Ajayna hogalagliba naha singna mayai kaba drugs ki ipakta tawrakliba asidagi kanba haibasi achobu challenge sama oibana miyam punna thengna minaba changi lenga ki statistic report ki matungina drug addiction gi chang asi hengalakli haina panari Manipur asi border state oibana maram oiraga drugs ki safu asi state asidasu yamna chawna phangli Masit thingnaba Manipur lengang laizaba machinery sizinaduna thingnaba hotnabagi thabakshu leptri. State asida drugs na sokhalakliba amadi ohelakliba fibam asi thingnaba Brahma Kumaris na lokhalakliba thogdang asi thagatningai ni. Asuguma thogdang asida lamdam asomda leiriba CSO singi mateng mathautai haiki. Governor na makha taraduna nisha sizinaba haibasi naha singda chatnabi amagum tawrakpa asina naha sing asi nisagi ipakta Tauraknabagi achauba maram ohelakli. Drugs addiction thingsi hairabadi demand reduction, supply restriction, loinana rehabilitation asina pambai oigani. Masina housik changsilliba nasa mukt Bharat asi mai pak pa soidana ngamgani haiki.
Youngsters must understand this, and organizations like Brahmakumaris and all other NGOs also should make efforts to convey this, that this is at times it becomes a stigma. So what perhaps we need to understand is it's not a stigma, it's part of a society behavior which has gone bad and it can be cured. Person can be brought back with effort. So if we all understand this much, perhaps all of us can put our efforts together and see that this Nashamukh Bharat, addiction-free Manipur, it can be made a reality. We definitely from government side will keep on making efforts in reducing the supply, in managing people who get addicted.